If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So is it too late to join LiveGood? Is it possible to still make any money as a LiveGood affiliate? All right, if you are not aware, which you should be, LiveGood is one of the most popular online business opportunities right now, with thousands of members joining LiveGood every day. This is popping. But with that being said, a lot of people are actually dropping out of LiveGood and getting deterred from even joining the LiveGood opportunity. So what is the deal? Is it too late to join LiveGood? Let's talk about it. All right, I'm gonna get straight into the point. All right, LiveGood, in my opinion, is a great opportunity for those people looking to earn some extra cash. It's a great opportunity for people that's looking to make a lot of money online. A super easy side hustle, in my opinion. So for all the people out there who's like, it's too saturated, or it's too late to join, or you can't make money with that, everybody already joined, everybody, you know, it's just people constantly talking about it. It's too hard for me to recruit people. I can't get no commissions. It's too saturated. All right, look, here's the thing. All right, you need to ask yourself if you are a real entrepreneur or not. I mean, that's just it. All right, because if you are a true entrepreneur, you are a go-getter, you want to work for yourself, you want to build wealth and have financial freedom and work on your own time, you have to ask yourself for real, are you an entrepreneur? Because if you are, then you would know, or should know, that it's not too late to make money really with any opportunity. It's never too late to be successful, but especially when it comes to the LiveGood opportunity, because despite the fact that, yeah, it's popping, and if you're in the make money online world or network marketing world, it may seem like it's too saturated and it's impossible to promote. But in reality, outside of the network marketing, make money online community, a lot of people have never even heard of LiveGood on any level, right? That's first and foremost. The second thing is, you got to remember that, like, the world keeps going. Every day there are new prospects, every day. All right, look at it like this. I think they say you got to be 18 to have a LiveGood account, I think, although there's people out there signing up their kids, whatever. But let's just say, you know, you got to be 18 years old to be a LiveGood member, right? Ask yourself, think about it. How many people are turning 18 years old every day? Just ask yourself that. Now ask yourself, how many people are turning 18 years old every day who would be interested in making some extra cash or making a lot of cash? Just ask yourself that, right? Then ask yourself, how many 25-year-olds are waking up and they're like, you know what, I want to do something different. I'm looking for a side hustle. How many 40-year-olds are like, you know what, I want to make money online. I want to work from home. I want a side hustle. Damn it, how many 60-year-olds, you know, talk about, you know, man, I would like a nice little side hustle. Like, come on now, think about that. Don't even listen to me. Just think about it. Ask yourself, right? So with that, once you realize, like, that right there should tell you that you're always going to have new prospects, right? New opportunity, new earning potential, right? Just that alone, right? Here's my main point, all right? Here's what I'm talking about, where you need to ask yourself, are you a real entrepreneur? Because if you think, you know, you can't make it in LiveGood, which is one of the easiest things to promote, right, ever, if you're questioning that, then that means you're probably not going to be able to do anything. Because that's just like saying, oh, I want to get into real estate, right? I want to get into wholesaling. Okay, well, A lot of people trying to do real estate. A lot of people doing the wholesaling and all that, right? That's no different than being like, oh man, I want to be a musician. Is it too late? There's a lot of rappers out there. There's a lot of country singers out there. So you might as well not even do that, right? Think about it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I want to start my own t-shirt business. I want to start my own clothing line. Well, there's a lot of damn people with clothing lines. Is it too saturated? Because if you are a true go-getter, entrepreneur, there is no saturation. You just make it happen. All right. So if you want to get involved with LiveGood or anything, you have to be committed and tell yourself, like, I'm going to make this work because this is what I want to do. Right. Once you convince yourself of that and really believe it, you will be successful in whatever it is you're trying to do. But you have to realize, like, yo, this is an entrepreneur's game. This can create that financial freedom. This can give you the life that in your mind, you know, when you want to live, you can make it happen. But you got to go into it knowing, like, this is what I do. I'm going to make this happen. All right. If you are ready to get started with LiveGood and start earning that extra income, all you need to do is click that first link in the description. Take the 5-minute LiveGood tour, and I will definitely see you on the team.